Hey everyone, different video today. We're going to talk about the 5 top upgrades that I've done to my airplane. Hopefully these help you out. We'll make it a quick video. We'll try and do it in 2 minutes. I doubt we're going to hit 2 minutes, but let's go for it. When I bought my airplane, it had a Rotax 582 in. I upgraded that to a 912. That is definitely one of the biggest, best upgrades I did. Value for money, it's expensive, but the performance is definitely insane. Bigger tires, so we're running the Aero Classics. I'm running 8-inch Clevelands. It's definitely one of the cooler upgrades that I've done. There's a good element of safety into it because if you need to do an outlanding, you've got bigger tires, softer ride. It's a bit soft on the aircraft. Expensive, yes. So I think between the tires and the engine, that's sort of the biggest upgrades that cost the most money, take the most time to get done. So when I did do the upgrade on the tires, I had to upgrade the brakes. So I had to put dual caliper brakes on. These are the Bushbaby calipers and brakes. They are pretty strong. I mean, I could flip my plane if I really tried hard on it. One of the other cool upgrades I did was to put an EFIS in, which is an electronic flight information system. What's nice about this is I could include maps and all kinds of things like that. It's just really nice to use, user-friendly. You're not scanning everywhere because all your engine information is down here. You have, your altitude. It's literally your all-in-one instrument. So I definitely think this is one of the cooler upgrades that I did. I did buy this unit secondhand. It's an older version, but still, like, I'll go with it. Anyway, it's got flying maps and sort of things like that, which makes it really cool. So obviously my maps aren't showing because I don't have GPS logged in at the moment, but essentially that's where we're at. This is definitely one of the bigger upgrades I've done. Another one of the big upgrades I did was when I changed to the 912 up front, my CG was a bit out. So I had to upgrade the elevator. The factory at KFA definitely helped me with this upgrade. It's a bigger elevator in length, width, and it's got a bit of an airfoil into it, where the other one didn't have an airfoil into it. It's also got these horns. I did the stall kit, so when I did the elevators, I did the stall kit on the horns and on the wings over here. So you'll see it's got like it's a stall fence on the wing, and then we've also got stall fences on the ailerons. I found that with that, it made the final approach a bit more stable, which was really nice. Definitely recommend those upgrades. Then for a bit of a controversial upgrade, I have the Bushbaby suspension on, which is like a sort of a copy of the TK1 suspension, just sort of made in a way. I've always had a bit of an issue with trying to turn with the Matco wheel. Like, you push the right brake and that wheel just locks. So anyway, I ended up removing the springs to the tail wheel. That is definitely one of the bigger upgrades I've done that cost me no money, just to remove the springs. So yeah, I think that was super quick. I also upgraded this antenna. I don't think it was super expensive, but it's definitely improved the radio. And to try and get better aircraft audio, I have done everything. I've gone through this massive black hole chasing my tail and trying to fix my aircraft audio. I'm still not 100% there yet. Rewired the panel. Geez, what have I done? I've spent hours trying to figure out aircraft audio and I'm still not there, but anyway, hopefully it's getting better. Another cheap one is this. I know I get a lot of comments on that. I'm running a sort of an open roof on it. I used to have a closed roof. Long story, when I did one of my aircraft upgrades or work on my aircraft, I messed the roof up, and when I bought the aircraft, it had a see-through roof, and I really like the see-through roof, but it does get super hot in there, so I tried putting those in just to protect me from the sun a bit. So probably due to put a roof on. I think another one of the upgrades that was cool was the vortex generators. Finding the placing on the vortex generators was a bit of a catch. But anyway, we got the vortex generators on. When looking at all these upgrades, I think the control surface upgrades, the stall fences and the VGs, what that did is it made the airplane a lot more stable on final approach, and you could really fly the stall a bit better. So yeah, I think that's it. Super quick. I don't know if it took us 2 minutes, maybe it blew through 2 minutes, but anyway, I think the best value for money upgrade was removing the tail wheel springs. Sure, I have to be a bit more awake when taxiing and things like that, but then I've got the dual brake system from Bushbaby. I know Matco also makes a dual system like that. So yeah, I think that's it, quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Cheers.